A shadow has fallen upon the scene so lately lighted by Allied victory. An iron curtain has descended across the continent. This is a solemn moment for American democracy. All of these phrases come out of this speech, Churchill's The Sinews of Peace, commonly known today as the Iron Curtain speech. And this year, from March 5th to 7th, we celebrate 80 years of living with the legacy of these words. We invite you to come join us as we commemorate, reflect upon Churchill's message. This commemoration will not only afford us an opportunity to look back at 80 years, but look ahead to the future. Joining us will be members of the Churchill family. Churchill fellows and VIPs from across the country will come back to campus to examine and explore Churchill's legacy. Joining us will be Missouri Governor Mike Kehoe and Dr. Larry Arm, president of Hillsdale College and a Churchill scholar. We look forward to welcoming you back to campus. We'll see you soon.